Welcome to my channel Kodamugen.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, we'll see about the OBS Studio software, which is very useful for any YouTube video streaming as well as video recording. So whenever there is a class or something that you want to show from your monitor, right, that you do, you can use this OBS Studio software, which is very useful to stream anything. Okay, so we have an option to record our screen from the screen recorder from Windows itself. So that is not that much effective. You cannot control your audio, or you don't have multiple options. For example, if you're in one screen, right, so you have to be in one screen, you cannot navigate to the other screen, so only one screen will be recorded. So OBS Studio is not like that. You have multiple option, you can tab it to multiple tabs, and you can switch from there to here, and you can record the video. So go to Google and type OBS Studio. You'll have this URL which will be coming in the first. So or else you can directly go to this URL which I'll give in the video description. So go to this obsproject.com, and then when you land it, right, you will have this particular page where you'll have option to download the OBS Studio software for different operating system. The first one is Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So depending upon your OS, right, you can download it. For example, if I want to download for Windows, basically I'm using a Windows system, so I'll click on this Windows. Okay, so this particular install will get downloaded. Okay, let it download. Meanwhile, I'll just walk you through what and all is there in the OBS Studio. So when you start getting started, right, if you are a brand or new to OBS, so what you should do, what is the overview of it, and then what are the forums or communities we have, and then what is the help portal, and who are all contributing to the OBS. All this information will be here. And then if you go to the main page, right, you will see how this video recording is happening. You'll have multiple options here, so you can go there. So we'll see whether our download has completed or not. Yeah, it is going to complete. I think it's completed. So it might take some time depending upon your internet bandwidth actually. So I'll just open this. So when you open, right, it will ask for you to install it actually. So you just click on S, and then you'll have multiple option. So why I'm getting this message is because I already have OBS installed. Okay, so I've already installed. I'm taking this video using the OBS only. So this is the installation, how it will happen. So now we'll directly go to the OBS Studio and see whatever the options that we have actually. Okay, so I'll just give a cancel for it, and then we'll jump into the OBS. So when I go here, right, you see this screen, right? So whatever I'm recording here, it will show here. So first of all, we'll see what are the options that we have. The main option that we'll be looking for is tools, where we have this auto configuration wizard actually. So you'll have all the configuration related information in here, and then anything apart from that, right, for your screen recording or streaming, whatever you need, that you have it here. Okay, for example, here this is a scene, right? Scene is nothing but the videos or images that you take, right? Anything that you capture, you can add it as a scene. So I have only one scene here, and then the next one is the source. Whatever the source I want to select in it, right, I can put it here. So if you see, I have just given a naming here, OBS installation, and I have chosen the display as my display is Dell display, I mean Dell monitor. So I have just chosen that as a primary monitor. So what will happen, whatever I'm just recording in this OBS or in this particular monitor, right, in the screen, it will get recorded. Okay, and then you have this audio mixer, and then your screen transition, how you want your screen transition, and then the control. So currently I'm taking the video, that's why it is coming as I mean, we don't have a start recording option. Instead, we have the stop recording option. So what I will do, these are the basics, I mean, basically that we wanted to know. So how to capture, I mean, how to select different sources actually. So when you click on this plus button, right, we have different option. So application audio, audio input capture, audio output capture, browser, color source. Like this, we have multiple options that we can do in here. Okay, so when you want to do a screen recording, right, you have this display capture option. So just click on this display capture. It will ask for a source name like this. So here in this, here, right, I have just given the OBS installation, and you'll have a start recording button here. So when you click on that start recording, your complete video will get recorded. I mean, your screen will get recorded, not basically the video. Your screen will get recorded as a video. Okay. So whenever you want to give a stop recording, right? Once your video is completed, all this, whatever you want to teach, everything is completed, or whatever you want to show in from your screen is completed, you can just click on this stop recording. Once you click on stop recording, right, your recording will be stopped and your recording will be saved into a C directory. So when you click on stop recording, it will come in here. I'm not stopping now. Why? Because I'm taking this video as a screen record using the OBS only. Okay. So in the next video, right, maybe I'll upload on the how to do a live streaming. Okay. So as of now, I'm not able to install OBS Studio again. Why? Because I've already installed. Okay. In the next video, I'll show how to stream it from the, I mean, using OBS Studio, how you can do a YouTube streaming. Okay, once you do all the setup, everything will work as it is. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.
Like, share, subscribe to my channel.